Respected sir, today I am going to do seminar about Bose incredible electromagnetic suspension system. So these are the content of my seminar. So introduction. Bose mentioned that world and music comes to mind, specifically audio system for upscale car as well as expensive. But what the cost system in an ongoing research project that has spanned over 24 years. Bose has created a unique electromagnetic suspension system for automobiles and is set to replace traditional shock and spring with electromagnetic actuator. That is the time for suspension system is same for sports car and luxury car, said its creator, Dr. Amar Bose, chairman and head of the technical design. The result is a ride that is level and bump free over incredible rough terrain and while the vehicle turns in corner. So basically this suspension system is basically working on the electromagnetic motor LEM, which is actuated in the four wheels. Which electromagnetic actuated motor or LEM is most effective and it is more flexible than the usual suspension system. So the classification of suspension system are two categories. Suspension system are classified into active suspension and passive suspension. So we are focusing about the active suspension. Active suspension have three types. Active suspension are hydraulic, pneumatic and electromagnetic. Hydraulic and pneumatic is usually used and our suspension system is electromagnetic. So both is focused on the electromagnetic suspension system. So hydraulic suspension. I will be explaining about the hydraulic suspension system. Hydraulic suspension system for example of vehicle employs this technology. BMW has recently developed an anti-roll BMW ARC system by placing a hydraulic rotary actuator in the center of the anti-roll bar and at the rear of the wheel as shown on figure. So Mercedes-Benz has developed an active body control system which uses high pressure hydraulic to pre-stress the spring, hence generating control anti-roll force without coupling the left and right wheels as in case of an anti-roll bar. So this figure shows the hydraulic suspension system. So here we can see that the middle the hydraulic system is being activated. It is being installed in the hydraulic suspension system. So hydraulic and so I am focusing about the hydraulic and pneumatic suspension system advantages. So advantages of hydraulic or pneumatic suspension system are very high force density, easy to control, easy to design, commercial availability of various parts, reliability, commercial maturities. So the disadvantages of hydraulic and pneumatic suspension system, those are considering inefficient due to the required continuous stressed system, environmental pollution due to those leak and rupture where hydraulic fluids are toxic. So these are the disadvantages of hydraulic or pneumatic system. And also mass and intrashable space required for the total system including supply system, even though it mainly contribute in this mass also. So this is also a disadvantages of hydraulic or pneumatic system. So here comes our idea, our seminar topic. So it is electromagnetic suspension system. So it is not hydraulic or pneumatic, it is electromagnetic suspension system. So basic idea of electromagnetic suspension system is magnetic repulsion can be used to absorb shock, and since response to the input signal is very fast in electromagnetic induction motor, it is used give benefits result. So I have explained earlier, the electromagnetic induction motor or LEM is being used in this electromagnetic suspension system, which is very efficient. So electromagnetic suspension system overcome the above hydraulic and or pneumatic disadvantage which follows as no need to continuous power, easy of control, absence of fluid, relative high bandwidth, tens of hertz. So this electromagnetic suspension system replaces the disadvantages of the above hydraulic or pneumatic suspension system. Bose suspension system. It consists of linear electromagnetic motor, power amplifier at each wheel, a set of control algorithm. So this is our suspension systems consist. What consists is three things: linear electromagnetic motor attached on each wheel, power amplifier at each wheel, a set of control algorithms. So working of electromagnetic. So working this linear electromagnetic motor responds quickly enough to contour the effective of bumps and potholes while maintaining a comfort ride. Electrical power is delivered to the motor by a power amplifier in the response to signal from the control, as I mentioned before. The bidirectional power amplifier allows power to flow into the linear electromagnetic and allows power to be returned from the motor. So the electromagnetic suspension is basically is LEM, which consists of a motor also. So this, because of the motor, we are getting this efficiency. So the advantages of the electromagnetic suspension system. So the suspension system requires less than a third of power of a typical vehicle air conditioning system, that is hundreds of watts, compared with the hydraulic actuator. The main advantages of electromagnetic actuator are as follows: increased efficiency, improved dynamic behavior, stability improvement, accurate force control, dual operation of the actuator. So these are the advantages of our Bose incredible electromagnetic suspension system. So here we can see the design of our Bose incredible electromagnetic suspension system. So this is LEM, electromagnetic motor here, and here it is protective bellows, then the torsion bar, lower ram, wheel damper, which is this is installed on every four wheel. This LEM or linear electromagnetic motor is installed on every four wheels. Because of this we are getting this Bose incredible electromagnetic suspension. Okay, so this is electromagnetic. Here we can see this the movable of the electromagnetic. Because of this electromagnetic we are getting this. So as I explained, this LEM is being installed in on every four wheel, as we can see. So the command signal, this four suspension system is being controlled by the computer. So here are some videos I will be show on YouTube. So this is the our video. So here we can see the basic information about our system.
You may know us as an audio company, but our technologies also play key roles in the aviation, nuclear power, and biomedical industries. And now, after 25 years of research, we have developed a new approach to automobile suspensions. The Bose suspension system delivers greater comfort and greater control for a much smoother ride than any luxury sedan, with less roll and pitch than any sports car. This system uses proprietary software, linear electromagnetic motors, and power amplifiers to control each wheel. The following performance comparisons let you see the difference between conventional suspensions and the Bose suspension system.
Here we can see the cornering, the effective of the corner. Here the conventional suspension system is this part is little bit lower, but here the part is effective. Our Bose suspension system, here we can see two difference between the conventional suspension system and our Bose electromagnetic suspension system. In here the interior video is been taken. So here it is our Bose suspension system and the conventional or hydraulic or pneumatic, the normal conventional system. So here we can see the difference. the vibration of the car is much lesser in our Bose electromagnetic suspension system. We can see that in conventional system the damping of the shock. Here we can see the conventional suspension system.
Greater comfort and greater control simultaneously. The Bose suspension system.
So as any project, we are also having some disadvantages. So I am going to explain about the disadvantages of the Bose electromagnetic suspension. Okay. So the first disadvantage is increased volume of the suspension. Since the force density of the active part of the hydraulics is higher than for the electromagnetic actuator, that is system mass and volume could be less. So our first disadvantage is our system is having more volume than the usually the conventional system or hydraulic or pneumatic. Our suspension is having more volume. That is our first disadvantages. And second disadvantage is relatively high current. So our system is having high current. So it has 12 to 14 volt system. So our of course our suspension system need current else than the regular suspension. And the third disadvantage is conventional design that need a extract provide a continuous force. So the continuous force is needed. As the normal suspension system, our suspension system is working on the electromagnetic. And the fourth disadvantage is higher system cost. The cost of our suspension system is higher than the hydraulic or pneumatic suspension system. So as in conclusion, active suspension offer many benefits over conventional and semi-active suspension system. Electromagnetic suspension is a higher bandwidth and effective solution for a improvement, higher handling and comforting. So these are the reference links. So our suspension system is having much stability and comfort as compared to the regular suspension system, as the pneumatic or hydraulic suspension system. So thank you.